Hey guys, are you looking for a lucrative faceless YouTube channel to start? You've come to the right place because in today's video, I will be showing you how the channels in this particular niche are raking in the big bucks each month and exactly how to recreate that so you can start making money from this as well. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is something that you're interested in, then make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because we have a ton of content that will teach you how to do just that. So the niche or category we're going to be talking about today is the scary story, horror, paranormal, unexplained mysteries niche. There is apparently a huge demand for these creepy stories, which explain why horror movies and novels have been around since time immemorial. To prove my point, let's try and type in scary stories on YouTube, and instantly you see that all of these videos have thousands, if not millions, of views each. You can try this out for each of the phrases that I specified above: paranormal activity, unexplained mysteries, horror, and get the same result. So one great thing about this niche is that you're not expected to show your face or create any of the videos yourself. It's super simple and there is a lot of money to be made here. So let me show you first a few channels that are blowing up in this category, and then we can get to the step-by-step on how to create your own scary stories channel and how you can find the videos to make. An example of a channel that's doing really well in this category is called Chills. Again, this is a faceless YouTube channel that gets a ton of views. So when you watch any of the videos in this channel, you will notice that he uses his own voice for the narration, and he simply compiles videos that he's taken from YouTube and all over the internet and credits them in both his narration and in the description box. This is great for someone starting out because you can totally use any of his video sources to make your own compilations. Just make sure that you give the video your own spin and change the script up to make it fair use. This guy Chills actually has another channel in the exact same niche doing the exact same thing, and it's called Top 15s. And both of his channels have 3.8 million and 5.8 million subscribers respectively, with a total of almost 2 billion views combined. So you can just imagine how much money this guy is making. Another channel on this niche is called Lazy Masquerade. It has 1.3 million subscribers and 221 million views, with videos ranging anywhere between 15 minutes to over 1 hour long. Unexplained Mysteries is a channel with close to 1.5 million subscribers, and like the others that we mentioned, it is crushing it on YouTube with its content. So because of the lengthy videos that you can create in this niche, the ad revenue can really add up, which is another reason why this category would be a no-brainer to create. If those examples got you as pumped as they got me, let's work on how to quickly replicate them right now. Now there are two ways to go about it. The first way would be to compile videos that are available online, record the voice-over narration for it, and that's it. The second way would be to create your own compilation using stock footage, and don't worry because it's super easy and I'll show you how to do both these things. Pardon the interruption, but if you're enjoying the content so far, then do make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to let us know. Alright, so for the first way, which is a simple video compilation, you'll start by looking for the videos that you'll want to use. You can do this by checking for individual videos posted on social media. There are a ton on YouTube, but you can also find a lot of these on TikTok and Instagram. You can even get videos from other similar channels on YouTube like the ones I showed you earlier. Just make sure that you don't copy their videos exactly, title them differently, and maybe combine videos with others, again to make them fair use. Doing this plus adding a narration over the compilation should be enough for your video to be considered transformative and therefore fair use. So as you saw in the examples from before, copyright shouldn't be a problem. When it comes to the narration script, you can simply look for articles online, rewrite them yourself, or maybe even hire someone on Fiverr to write them for you for as low as $5, or even use a software like Spinbot, which you can use to paraphrase the text for you so that it sounds like you're using your own words. After that, you can just run it through an app like Grammarly on Word or Google Docs to make sure that everything is grammatically sound. And again, this is what will essentially help you avoid any copyright strikes against any of your videos. For the second way that you can go about creating videos for this channel, you'll want to type a certain keyword on Google, for example, paranormal activity in real life or unsolved mysteries, and instantly you'll find a ton of material that you can use for your video. After selecting which one you want to focus on, say horror movies based on true stories, you can again rewrite the script yourself or hire someone on Fiverr to rewrite it for you, or the last option would be to use Spinbot to rephrase. Once you have your script ready, you can then head on over to either pixabay.com or pexels.com to access thousands of free photo and video files that you can use for your video. You can download any of these files without charge, and once you have them ready, you can move on to the next step, which will be the same for both 1 and 2, which is editing the video. And don't worry, it's much easier than you think. So now I want you to go to openshot.org, which has a free and very user-friendly video editing tool, and upload all of the files that you have for your video: voice recording, video clips, picture files. And to show you how easy this is, let me just do a quick demo for you. As you can see, there are 2 windows in the middle. The left window is the project files panel, and the right one will show you the video preview. Below both of these, you'll see the project timeline. So after importing your files, you can simply arrange them based on the order that you have in mind by dragging and dropping them just like this. You can also align the audio file to the part of the video that you want narrated, like so. For picture files, you can even stretch the photo so that it stays on for a certain part of your narration, just like this. After that, you can check for a preview of your work on this right window over here. And based on what we did, which really just took around a minute, this is the video that we came up with. I told you it was easy. Once you have that, just upload that on YouTube and keep doing it as much as you can. I suggest posting every day. If you can't do that, every other day should work. The bare minimum would be once a week, but it will take a while for your channel to be monetized. And if you use a tool like vidIQ, which has a free Chrome extension, it can help things along because you can then replicate keywords and tags that successful channels in your particular niche are using. Remember that consistency is key, and the more frequently you create videos, the sooner you will reach the required 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you can start making money on YouTube. I do hope that you found a lot of value in today's content. If you did, then make sure to give us a like, a share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get updated each time we post a new video. We have a ton of other content that you can binge watch after this one, and I'll make sure to leave links in the description box for you. If there's anything that you want us to feature or teach you, then please leave us a comment below. And yeah, we'll work to include that in our pipeline. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck and see you on the next one.